first at 34 and Versailles at 33. So I don't know if they hadn't added a long jump in yet, or a great display of sportsmanship.
Look at
here.
this.
I know both these runners are just worn out.
What a great display, as Joe said. Arden McMath cramping up in the legs very obviously, has gone to the track a couple times, and she's going to get helped across to finish a standing ovation here in Columbus.
And everyone in the whole place is on their feet. That was a tremendous display of sportsmanship. It's a really hot day out there, and that 3,200 is a really tough race.
Stand by me, stand by me.